Happened again, YouTube. Another one. Last video was the master bedroom. The one that falls. I'm just sick and tired of these things. It's 30 CUAR. The master bedroom one is a 20 SAR. I hate these things. Actually, what makes this a little... Yeah. Brand new effing batteries. This two-handed job, I'm setting this thing down, but... awful. These things are awful quality. This is like... It's not a dirty sensor or anything, because it's just random ones just going off randomly. The first time this ever happened was the one in my room. That was never posted. Ugh. These damn batteries are too hard to get out. I don't see anything that looks like dirt in the sensor.
Conrad.
What?
It says it's not the batteries. Batteries is a single chart.
Yeah, I know.
Don't take it apart.
I'm just trying to get this one battery out.
It's not the batteries.
Okay.
It says that we might just need to vacuum them out. That dust got in them. They need to be cleaned.
Well, I do remember these things being up whenever the floor was going in.
And that's probably what happened.
They had this orange cover on them.
Well, I don't know, Conrad. I'm just telling you what I found online. It's not the batteries. I can guarantee it.
Okay, so...
The batteries is a single chart.
Yeah. Yeah, because these are brand new fucking batteries. Well, I'll give the vacuuming a try. If it's a different one, I'll probably just vacuum all of them. Well, my room's hard to reach because it's on an 8-foot ceiling. I'm only 5'9". Tiny. I'm going to do a reset. There we go. I'm going to vacuum all of them out.
No trying to burn the daggum house down?
No.
Ooh, alright, look at every piece of paper that's burnable.
So if they false again, then we'll just bite the bullet and just buy a whole new system. I'm pissed at this. I am mad. If it's not a dirty sensor, okay. This is actually my brother's room, but going down again. Kidde 30 CUAR. Tell me if it is a dirty sensor, or if it's just because these detectors are so shitty. And it's just bust out my eye.
It says it could also, if it's not that, it could also just indicate an entire system malfunction.
Possibly, because like, I know it initially started with mine, and mine was the very last one to be commissioned. I was going to tell Kristen something. one down. Fuck ton more to go. Sorry for the cussing. I am not happy. I'm not happy, Bob. Not happy. I'm not going to want to film the rest because it's the same process, but I'm not even going to take them off the ceiling. Because I'm not that happy. I mean, if it was dirty sensors, if I was vacuuming them, they'll go off. That'll prove the dirty sensor. If they don't go off, which I'll tell in a pinned comment, it's not a dirty sensor. And there's nothing wrong.